Ever deleted a Git branch and accidentally lost unmerged work? Here's how to do it safely. To delete a local branch, the command is git branch -d followed by the branch name. For example, git branch -d feature login. The lowercase d flag is the safe option. It checks whether your branch has been fully merged into the current branch or it's upstream. If it hasn't been merged yet, Git will refuse the deletion and show you a warning. This protects you from accidentally losing commits that haven't made it into your main branch. Sometimes you want to delete a branch even if it hasn't been merged. Maybe you abandoned a feature or you already merged it via a pull request. In that case, use the uppercase D flag, git branch -d feature login. This skips the merge check and deletes immediately, so use it with confidence. 2 things to keep in mind. First, you can't delete the branch you currently have checked out. Switch to main or another branch first. Second, this only deletes your local branch. To also remove it from a remote like GitHub, run git push origin --delete followed by the branch name. To recap, use git branch -d for safe deletion, -d to force it. Like this video if it helped, and subscribe for more Git tips. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.